Wait. Bad internet. I have some bad internet. What happened? Whatever. Hi to my two viewers. Two viewers left because of my bad internet. Okay, just make fold. Okay. Wait, where are my bad internet? Bad internet. Good. Okay. Look at I for my dry clothes. Yes, you watch me on going laundry at near the river. Hi to Alde. Hi guys. Welcome to my live. Live this time. This is my new room. I still make it good. Hi to my 20 viewers. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share, like, comment guys. Comment. I have many things to do. Folding my dress. Oh, look at. Oh, really good. I feel good. Very better. So good. So good. Hi everyone. I'm happy to see my new. And to all my subscribers and my supporters for making view this is I earn on my YouTube, my house. Thank you for watching. Hello Shin Kong. Hi. Watching from. Hi to Shin Kong. Hi Shin Kong. I am now from Philippines. Hello. I'm good. I'm good. Oh yeah, I can't comb my hair because I put the spray net on my hair because I make it curl. That's what happened to my hair. Wait, yes. After this, make it real. Yep. Hello everyone. What happened to my signal? Guys, don't call me if I'm going live. Hello Shinkong. Watching from Shinkong. Shout out to Shinkong and to Yasri. Yasri RT is. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't call if I'm going to live, guys. Don't call because I can. You're from Malaysia. Ah, good. That's near from Philippines. So you are Malaysian.